Dear students, there are some other short answer type questions also in this unit which you need to know. For an example, one question is define consumer awareness. What do you mean by consumer awareness? So, the knowledge of consumers' rights and protection of consumer against any exploitation is called consumer awareness. So, if a consumer has knowledge of his rights and knowledge about protection of his rights, then this is known as consumer awareness. Then we say that the consumer is aware. Now, the question is that what is consumer protection or define consumer protection? Consumer protection means to protect the consumers against the exploitation on the basis of black marketing, bogus standardization of the product, higher price than the fixed one, etc. So, if we protect a consumer in paying the highest price, or we protect him against bogus standardization of the product or black marketing, etc., this means consumer protection. Now, one more short answer type question is that when Consumer Protection Act was passed? In India, when the first Consumer Protection Act was passed? So, its answer is that Consumer Protection Act was passed in the year 1986. Now, what is a fair price shop? What do you mean by a fair price shop? A fair price shop is a shop established by the government or by any cooperative society. On fair price shop, goods are sold on a nominal commission. So this fair price shop is not for profit making. On this shop, goods are sold on nominal commission and there is no bargaining on the fair price shop. So this is established for the benefit of consumers. Now then there is question, define a project report. What do you mean by a project report? So when a paper is prepared by an investigator after the end of investigation work, it is called a project report. Now the question is, when is a project prepared? A project report is prepared after the interpretation of data. When data is interpreted, then we prepare project reports on the basis of the analysis of data.